हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अ न्यू वीडियो फ्रॉम द क्रेडिट कार्ड एंड ट्रैवल हैक्स चैनल। मेरा नाम है यश जैन एंड आई मेक वीडियोस ऑन क्रेडिट कार्ड इन इंडिया। आज के वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द 4 वेरिएंट्स ऑफ द IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक क्रेडिट कार्ड। सो ये चारों जो क्रेडिट कार्ड्स है, दीज आर लाइक रिसेंटली लॉन्च्ड गाइज in the month of February, and I want to tell you all about these credit cards. Should you get this credit card or no? What is my personal opinion on this credit card, and of course the basic information like the joining fee, annual fee, reward points, etc. So stay with me in this video, don't skip any of it. It's going to be a short video. Invest 5 minutes to understand the new variants of these credit cards in our market guys. सबसे पहले guys, let's talk about the look of the credit card. तो 4 credit cards में से the Millennia credit card is somewhat which gives a very jazzy and funky look to the whole credit card, which is never seen before in the Indian credit card industry. In my opinion, it's a very nice looking credit card, but reserve your thoughts on this because credit card के look से ज़्यादा it's about how the credit card performs in your wallet. Apart from that, the 3 other credit cards, which are the classic, the select variant and the wealth variant, are just like any other credit card in the Indian market guys. So there is not much to talk about the design and the look of that credit card. अब बात करते हैं the joining fee and the annual fee of these credit card guys. So IDFC Bank has done a marvelous job by offering all of these credit cards as lifetime free. Yes, this is one of the very unique feature that is offered by IDFC Bank for the credit cards that they are offering, because कोई भी बैंक अभी तक सब क्रेडिट कार्ड्स लाइफ टाइम फ्री ऑफर नहीं कर रही है, और इसके जो वेल्थ एंड सेलेक्ट वेरिएंट्स है दे ऑफर रियली अमेजिंग वैल्यू फॉर बीइंग लाइफ टाइम फ्री. लेटर ऑन इन द वीडियो यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट व्हाई गाइस. In fact, apart from being free, they are even offering you a gift voucher of rupees 500 if you spend rupees 15,000 in the first 90 days guys. Isn't that amazing? Free के 500 rupees के gift vouchers with a lifetime free credit card is like a cherry on the top of an ice cream. They are even offering a 5% cashback on your first EMI transaction done within the first 90 days of you activating this credit card. Isn't that just amazing, my friends? अब बात करते हैं about the reward points that you can earn on these 4 credit cards. चारों credit cards पे the earning of the reward points is equally the same. आपको मिलेंगे 0.75% से 2.5% तक का reward ratio, जिसके अंदर you will get 3x the reward points on spending anything on your offline spends, 6x the reward points on spending anything online. Basically आपको मिलेंगे 3 reward points for every 100 rupees you spend offline, 6 times the reward points, that is 6 reward points for spending 100 rupees anything online. इसके अलावा they are even giving you a 10 times the reward points, that is 10 reward points for every 100 rupees you spend after you cross a limit of rupees 20,000 every month on any of these credit cards. And also अगर आपका बर्थडे है उस दिन आप जो भी स्पेंड करेंगे उसको पे आपको भी मिलेंगे 10x the reward points, that is 10 reward points for every 100 rupees spent on your birthday. The value of each reward point here is 0.25 paise. Hence you can earn anywhere between 0.75 to 2%, 2.5% the reward ratio with this credit card guys. Now let's talk about the offers that differ on all these 4 credit cards. तो मिलेनिया क्रेडिट कार्ड और क्लासिक क्रेडिट कार्ड के मूवी ऑफर्स में आपको मिल सकता है अप टू 25% ऑफ अप टू ₹100 वंस अ मंथ. नाउ द बेस्ट पार्ट इज सिलेक्ट क्रेडिट कार्ड पे आपको मिल सकता है बाय 1 गेट 1 फ्री ऑन मूवीज अप टू ₹250 ऑफ ट्वाइस अ मंथ. एंड वेल्थ क्रेडिट कार्ड पे आपको मिल सकता है बाय 1 गेट 1 फ्री मूवी ऑफर अप टू ₹500 ऑफ ट्वाइस अ मंथ. अगर आप कैलकुलेशंस करेंगे तो सेलेक्ट क्रेडिट कार्ड के ऊपर आप सेव कर सकते हैं ₹6,000 एनुअली, एंड वेल्थ क्रेडिट कार्ड पे यू कैन सेव अप टू 12,000 रुपीज़ एनुअली. इजंट दैट जस्ट ग्रेट गाइज? एक लाइफ टाइम फ्री क्रेडिट कार्ड के ऊपर यू आर गेटिंग बाय 1 गेट 1 फ्री ऑफर इज एक्सट्रीमली अमेजिंग इन माई ओपिनियन. इन द सिमिलर मैनर अब बात करते हैं द लाउंज एक्सेस एसोसिएटेड विद ऑल दीज 4 क्रेडिट कार्ड्स. द मिलेनिया एंड द क्लासिक क्रेडिट कार्ड विल गिव यू 4 लाउंज एक्सेस टू द रेलवे स्टेशंस every quarter. The select credit card will give you 4 lounge access to the railway stations and the domestic airport lounges in India. Now comes the best part. The wealth credit card, being a lifetime free, will give you 4 international and domestic lounge access, 4 railway station access, and 4 visits to spa every quarter. Isn't that just mind blowing, my friends? Coming to the most hyped feature with this credit card, जिस फीचर का बहुत ज़्यादा बज़ हुआ था मीडिया पे, that is the interest rate that they charge on this credit card. So IDFC Bank has done a little gimmicky stuff here. They are offering people from 9% interest rate to 36% per month, जो इंडस्ट्री के अंदर is the first. But 9% से 36% के बीच में कौन से ब्रैकेट में आप रहेंगे, that is something which only IDFC Bank can decide, and there is no stipulated manner in which they are going to select. मतलब आपको पता नहीं होगा कि वो आपको 9% के लिए सिलेक्ट करेंगे, 18% के लिए सिलेक्ट करेंगे कि 36% के लिए. What I am assuming is कि you have to be one of their very good customers to receive the interest rate as low as 9%. Imagine you utilizing your entire credit limit at only 9% per annum का interest rate on a credit card is just amazing, mind-blowing and industry first. But it remains to be seen कि कितने लोगों को 9% पे मिलता है, or it's just one of the gimmicks to woo the masses. There are a few limitations to where you can not earn reward points like insurance spends and EMI spends, but that is quite normal in the industry right now. काफ़ी लोग insurance, fuel और EMI पे नहीं नहीं reward points दे रहे, so which is fine. But IDFC, since it's just beginning its operation, could have like gone away with these exceptions. Now talking about my personal opinion, and should you or should you not get this credit card, and how do you get this credit card? So guys, honestly, in my opinion, being a lifetime free credit card, all these 4 variants are decent, nice, and some are amazing. If you can get a select or a wealth credit card for lifetime free, then without a second doubt in your head, you should just go ahead, apply for it and get it for yourself. Now coming to the part, how do you get this credit card? Here there is no trick or there is no confirmed way of getting this credit card other than you being an IDFC Bank customer. They are giving these credit cards firstly for their customers who are associated with them having a current account or a savings account. अब मैं assume ये कर रहा हूँ, the wealth credit card, which is the highest credit card, is going to be offered with someone who has an amazing relationship with IDFC Bank. तो wealth credit card masses के पास तो मिलने वाला है ही नहीं. सिलेक्ट क्रेडिट कार्ड शायद अगर आपका ट्रांजैक्शंस काफ़ी अच्छा हो, अगर आपने काफ़ी अच्छा बैलेंस मेंटेन किया हो, काफ़ी एक्टिव रखा हो आपके बैंक अकाउंट को, तो आपको मिल जाएगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम हैविंग अ बैंक अकाउंट, आई डोंट सी अनदर वे राइट नाउ टू गेट दिस क्रेडिट कार्ड, बट इन द नियर फ्यूचर आई एम वेरी श्योर दे आर गोइंग टू गिव दिस क्रेडिट कार्ड टू द मासेज, बिकॉज इट्स अ लाइफ टाइम फ्री क्रेडिट कार्ड. लोगों का बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है इन क्रेडिट कार्ड्स पे. Wait for a while guys, मिल जाएगा, don't worry about it. So to conclude this video in a nutshell, it's a very good effort from IDFC Bank, just that जो 9% का interest rate जो उन लोग claim कर रहे हैं, they should give it to a lot of people. तो ही मज़ा आएगा इस credit card को use करने में और इसको काफ़ी long time तक रखने के लिए guys. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई तो give me a like, share and comment on this video if you want to know anything more about these credit cards. I'll see you in another one guys.